Hi guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana, and we have a 2021 base Land Cruiser 200 series. We haven't done a lot to it, but we have put a half-inch OEM level spacer in the front underneath the coil to make the car sit up about another half-inch. And then we also have oversized tires. We have the BFG KO2 sitting on a set of Tundra TRD Rock Warrior rims. We've added a couple electrical modifications. We'll start underneath the hood. So we have our hood light feature. It's got two waterproof Whalen lights in two colors, red and white. White and red. And we've also installed a pin trigger override here so that if you accidentally leave your lights on and you shut the hood, it's going to turn the lights off. In the back we have a hatch light system. Again, it's the two waterproof Whalen American-made lights that we used underneath the hood. We also have the same switch right here for white. Middle is off and red is down. And then we've also added an extra exit release power switch button, one that functions the same as it does on the front of the vehicle from the driver's seat. It's the exact same button that we use, that Toyota uses for the power close of the hatchback. We just ordered this OEM part. It's 4 model numbers, which I'll leave in the comment below. And then we have, we basically just wired it to the open switch, not the close switch. So it's just wired in parallel to that. When you're inside the car, just if it's a child or you're camping or whatever, just press the button and then the hatch will release itself. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit thumbs up and subscribe.